Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by selecting the header row for the data you want to color filter. Once selected, enable Excel's filter feature from Data Filter or Home Sort and Filter Filter. Make sure headers are single, unmerged cells and that the column contains the values or formats you'll filter by, because inconsistent formatting prevents color rules from applying correctly. Now that filters are active, you're ready to apply a color filter to a specific column. Move to the column with the fill color you want to target. You click the drop-down arrow on the column header and hover over Filter by Color. This reveals available fill and font colors detected in that column. Select the specific color you want to show. Excel immediately hides non-matching rows. If the color you expect does not appear, make sure cells are filled using the Fill Color tool and not a background image. Once you pick the color, you can combine with text filters or number filters to refine results further. You finish by reviewing the filtered rows, then clear the filter when finished using Filter Clear or the column menu. If you need color to respond to logic, apply conditional formatting rules first so colors are consistent across cells. If a color filter fails to appear or work, check for mixed data types, accidental padding, or cells formatted via conditional formatting versus manual fill. Convert or reapply a manual fill color to force Excel.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.